So Hare Krishna, today is 27th of June 2020 and we'll be reciting from Canto 3, Chapter 6, Text 18 onwards. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudiraye Nashtaprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Nashtake. Hare Krishna. So today also the rapid study today. Many sloka will be taking. Text 18. Tvachamasya vinirvinna vibhusodhedhishniyam oshadihi amsena romavi kandum iraso pratipadhyate. Tvacham, skin, asya of the gigantic form, vinirvinna being separately manifested, vibhushoho entered, dhishniyam the controlling deity, oshadihe sensation, amsena with parts, roma bihe through the hair on the body, kandum itching, ehi by which also the living entity pratipadhyate experiences. Translation purport. When there was a separate manifestation of skin, the controlling deities of sensation and their different parts entered into it, and thus the living entities feel itching and happiness due to touch. Om Jnana Timirandasya Jnananjan Salakaya Chakshmanidamenam Tasmai Sri Gurube Namah Sri Chaitanya Manovishtam Sthapitamena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayam Dadadi Supadantikam Bandeyam Sri Guru Shida Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathan Vidantam Sajivam Sadhvitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakan Vitam Cha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenbandhu Jagatpati Gopesa Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namasute Tapti Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vishvanusude Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vangsha Kalvata Rubhasya Kripa Sindhuvayeva Cha Patidanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtabhutarishma Jepata Katham Nityanamani Namajara Padaya Nitya Kripa Pardhane Gaur Katadamadaya Nagar Gam Tarne. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtabhutarishma Bhakti Vedanta Swami Nityanamani Namaste Samsudeve Gaur Bhatt Pracharane Nivise Sunyavadi Vasete Tarne. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaur Bhakta Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Tvachamasya vinirvinna vibhusodheshne moshadhi amsena romabhihi kandum iraso pratipadhyate. So Maitreya Muni is saying today, he is informing Vidura that when there was a separate manifestation of skin, the controlling deities of sensation and their different parts entered into it, and thus the living entities feel itching and happiness due to touch. My good gracious God, what a revelation. You know, when the itching sensation takes, the man scratches it and he feels very happy. He say itching and happiness due to touch. And you know our touch is what? Sometimes even that blood might come out. Through the itching sensation, blood might come out, but still one feel very, very happy. It's like a ushta, it's like a oont, you know. He, when the blood comes out from his the tongues and mouth and gums, he feels very happy. Similarly, a human being also, when there is itching sensation, if you don't find anything, you may find a tree, with a tree will do it. Or in the wall. Or somehow or the other you can't stop it. Even if it is a king or a beggar, itching sensation, and they feel very happy in touching it. Lovely Srimad Bhagavatam. Prabhupada says, for sense perception, there are two principal items, touch and itching. And both of them are controlled by the skin and hair on the body. According to Sri Vishwanatha Chakravarti, the controlling deity of touch is the air passing within the body. And the controlling deity of the hair on the body is Oshadhya. For the skin, the object of perception is touch. And for the hair on the body, the object perception is itching. Such a minute thing, right? Even being spoken, so that the people may not say, that thing is missing. In this Srimad Bhagavatam, nothing is missing. He'll cover everything. So as I said, it's rapid to study. Let me go to the text. Next text, text 19. Medhram tasya vinirvinna sodhishniyam ka upavishat reta samsena ena sava ananda pratipadhyate. Medhrum, genitals, tasya, of the gigantic form, vinirvinna, being separated, shodhishnyam, own position, kaha, Brahma, the original living creature, upavishat, entered, retasa amsena, with the part of the semen, yena, by which also the living entity, anandam, sex pleasure, pratipadyate, experiences. Purpose is, when the genitals of the gigantic form separately became manifest, then Prajapati, the original living creature, entered into them with his partial semen, and thus the living entities can enjoy sex pleasure. Let us take to the next text. Gudam pumso vinirvinnam mitro lokasha avishat payunam sena enaso visargam pratipadyate. Gudam, evacuating outlet, pumsaha, of the gigantic form, vinirvinnam, being separately manifested, mitraha, the sun god, loka ishaha, the director named Mitra, avishat, entered, payuna amsena, with the partial evacuation process, ena, by which also the living entity, visharagam, evacuation, pratipadyate, performs. Translation: the evacuating channel separately became manifest, and the director named Mitra entered into it with partial organs of evacuation. Thus the living entities are able to pass a stool and the urine. So Bhagavatam teaches everything. It's very simple. I don't want to spend time on that. Next one. Atavasya vinirvinnat indraha swarpitara indaraha swarpitara patiravishat swarpatiravishat vartayam sena purusho yaya vritim prapadyate. Hasto, hands, asya, of the gigantic form, vinirvinnau, being separately manifest, indaro, Indaraha, the king of heaven, Shwapatihi, the ruler of heavenly planets, Avishat, entered into it, Vartaya Amsena, with partial mercantile principles, Purushaha, the living entity, Yaya, by which, Vritim, business of livelihood, Prapadyate, transacts. Thereafter, when the hands of the gigantic form separately become manifested, Indra, the ruler of the heavenly planet, entered into them. And thus, the living entity is able to transact business of his livelihood. Next one. पादावस्य विनिर्भिन्नौ लोकेशो विष्णुराविशत् गत्या स्वांसेन पुरुषो यया प्राप्यां प्रपद्यते. Padau, the legs, Asya of the gigantic form, Vinirvinno, being manifested separately. Loka Isa Vishnu, the demigod Vishnu, not the personality of Godhead. Avishat entered, Gatya by power of the movement, Swamsena with his own parts, Purushaha, living entity, Yaya by which Prapyayam, destination, Prapadyate reaches. Thereafter, the legs of the gigantic form separately became manifest, and the demigod named Vishnu, not the person of Godhead, entered with partial movement, thus helps the living entity move to his destination. Next, text 23. Buddhim cha shavinirvinna Bhagiso dhishnyamavishat bodhanam sena bodhabhyam pratipratiyaryato bhave. Buddhim, intelligence, cha also, asya of the gigantic form, vinirvinnam, being separately manifested, vaka isha, Brahma, Lord of Vedas, dhishnyam, the controlling power, avishat, entered in, bodhena amsena, with his part of intelligence, bodhabhyam, the matter of understanding, pratipatihi, understood, yataha, by which, bhavet, so become. Translation again. When the intelligence of the gigantic form separately became manifest, Brahma, the Lord of the Vedas, entered into it with a partial power of understanding, and thus an object of understanding is experienced by the living entity. A rapid study going on in Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 24. Hridayam chasya vinirvinnam chandramadhishnyamavishat manasam sena yena asau vikriyam pratipadyate. Hridayam, heart. Cha, also. Asya, of the gigantic form. Nirvinnam, being manifested separately. Chandrama, the moon demigod. Dhishnyam, with controlling power. Avishat, entered into. Manasha amsena, partly with mental activity. Yena, by which. Asau, the living entity. Vikriyam, resolution. Pratipadyate, transacts. Translation. After that, the heart of the gigantic form separately manifested itself, and into it entered the moon, demigod with partial mental activities. Thus the living entity can conduct his mental speculation. So you know your body, how your body is made up. Only by the mercy of Supreme Personality of Godhead and under the control. Devadhinesu kameshu devadhina swayam puman. Everything is under the control of Deva. Devadhinesu. And they are controlling us. And who controlling them? Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Text 25. Atmanam chase nirvinnam abhino avishat padam karmanam sena yena asho kratavyam pradipadyate. Atmanam, false ego. Cha, also, asya, of the gigantic form. Nirvinnam, being separately manifested. Abhinnaha, false identification, avishat entered, padam in position, karmana activities, amsena by the part, yena by which, asau the living entities, kartavyam objective activities, pratipadhyate takes in. Thereafter, the materialistic ego of the gigantic form separately manifested itself, and into it entered Rudra, the controller of the false ego, and his own partial activities by which the living entity transact his objective action. So Rudra entered into the false ego. He is a controller of the false ego. He is not in false ego. Like a jailer may be in the jail, he is in the jail, but he is not a convict. Prabhupada says, the false ego of materialistic identity is controlled by the demigod Rudra, an incarnation of Lord Shiva. Rudra is the incarnation of the Supreme Lord who controls the mode of ignorance within material nature. The activities of the false ego are based on the objective of the body and mind. Most persons conducted by the false ego are controlled by Lord Shiva. When one reaches a finer version of ignorance, he falsely thinks of himself as the Supreme Lord. That egoistic conviction of the conditioned soul is the last snare of the illusory energy which control the entire material world. So that false ego, karta aham iti manyate, or aham, mamta, me and mine. These are the false identification where the living entity is entrapped. He is sucked into, and very, very difficult to come out until and unless he seeks the shelter of the Vaishnavas or the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Otherwise, becomes very, very difficult. Let us take to the next text. The text is 26. Sattvam chasa vinirvinnam mahandhishnayam upavisha chittenam susenayannaso vignanam pratipadhyate. Sattvam, consciousness, cha, also, asya, of the gigantic form, vinirvinnam, being separately manifested, Mahan, the total energy, Mahatattva, Dhishnam, with control, Upavishat, entered into, Chittena Amsena, along with his part of consciousness, Ena, by which, Asau, the living entity, Vignanam, specific knowledge, Pratipadhyate, cultivates. Thereafter, when his consciousness separately manifested itself, the total energy Mahatattva entered with its conscious part, thus the living entity is able to conceive specific knowledge. Let me take the next one also. It's only recitation, and I will stop at 27. Srishno asya ayudhodhara padabhyam kham nabhiru padhyatah gunanam britayo yeshu pradiyante shuradayah. Seeds are her head, asya of the gigantic form, Dyuyuhu, the heavenly planet, Dhara, earthly planet, Padabhyam, on his legs, Kham, the sky, Navyaha, from his abdomen, upapadhyata became manifested. Gunanam of the three modes of nature. Vrittaya reactions. Yeshu in which. Prati yante manifest. Sura adaya the demigods and others. Thereafter, from the head of the gigantic form, the heavenly planets were manifested, and from his legs, the earthly planets, and from his abdomen, the sky separately manifested themselves. Within them, the demigods and other also were manifested in terms of the modes of material nature. So, that ends the translates the purport of Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 3, text 6, from text 18 to 27 by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. So this particular text, also so many other texts are coming, which has very specific nature, as I told you, is very scientific. But those of the children there, they wanted to do the medicine, or those of some of your friends have their medicine, please refer them this, what Srimad Bhagavatam is saying, how this particular body, a human form, or the gigantic manifestation of the material world has come into being. Lot of information. The Vedas are full of knowledge, and these are, Srimad Bhagavatam is a summary of the summary. The summary of the Vedas is Vedanta Sutra, and Vedanta Sutra has many bhashyas, and every one of them they have interpreted it the way they felt right, the way they felt there's need in the society, and the way they felt that there is a need in the society to bring them up. So everybody has 4 bhashyas are there, but we also have the Govinda Bhashya, and the Srimad Bhagavatam is just nothing but a summary, and therefore this autonomy, you can call it, or whatever it is, this has been beautifully explained in the pages of Srimad Bhagavatam, so that the people may not complain that I do not know how things have happened. So categorically it happens. Though we may be reading it for the last so many weeks, one after another one, but let me remind you again, everything happened simultaneously. Everything. Some came in the form of seed and eggs, and somebody came just in the body. So that the material world can rotate, and things like that. Others say there's a Adam and Eve, and somebody says the Hawa and this and that. And we know it is the Sasurupa and I forget the name. I forgot the name. Okay, all right. Sasurupa and her husband, and they become the first. They are the Manus, he's one of the Manu, and the mankind come from there.
Manu.
Sorry? Swayambhu Manu. Swayambhu actually is the first, even before the Manu and Satsurupa, there was Brahma. He had the power to do everything, and under his direction, he appointed so many other demigods, and the progeny starts. And the first progenitor was Lord Shiva. And Lord Shiva, he produced a lot of Bhutaganas and Pichasa, and he populated the world with hooligans. And Lord Brahma said, oh my good gracious God, have I made a mistake? Then he appointed so many Prajapatis, and in Prajapatis, then Kashyapa is the one who had many wives, and from each wives, then Diti, Aditi, there are so many names are there, Krodho. From each wife, a different species has come. Some give the birth to the bird and reptiles and insects and the Devas and Danavas and things like that. So it is very systematically is being explained in Srimad Bhagavatam. So one will have no doubt that how the things are taking place. However, maybe few more slokas will be very rapid. before we come to little philosophy somewhere, so that we can spend some time. But those of you who are more interested, you can, if you can recite Purusha Sukta. In the Purusha Sukta also, the complete Vishwarupa is explained in Purusha Sukta. Om Sahasra Sirsha Purusha Saksha Sasrapa Sabhomit Gumbuchato Virtuate Disam Gurum Purushe Vede Sarvam, and go on and on and on and on. Try to read it so you can understand in the Sastra, apart from Srimad Bhagavatam, how the Sastras are explaining the Virat Rupa. So with this, I'll come to the conclusion of my talk. Thank you very much. Now our second session is, as usual, the name of the session is Yatha Ichesi Tatha Kuru. Hare Krishna.